Jonny, and this is Pencil Pencil, and today, what are we going to draw? Yes, a flower! To start our flower drawing, I'm going to do a big circle, and I'm going to use the colour yellow! Okay, here we go. Squeak! There's our circle! Why don't you and Pencil Pencil have a go? That's it, Pencil Pencil. Oh, wow, that's a brilliant circle. Now I'm going to draw the petals on our flower, and I'm going to use the colour red. Can you count how many petals I draw? Okay, we'll do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the last number? Yeah, 8. That's 8 petals. Why don't you and Pencil Pencil draw some petals on your flower? You draw the petals and I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's looking really good. 6, 7. The last one, 8. Wow! I'm going to draw the stem of the flower next, and I'm going to use the colour green. Watch me. Whoop. That's the stem of our flower. It's like a wobbly or a squiggly line. Let's see you and Pencil Pencil have a go. That's it, Pencil Pencil. It's as easy as that. Let's do the leaves on our flower. Watch me. 1. You ready? 2. That's 2 leaves. Your turn, Pencil Pencil. 1, 2. Brilliant! Wow, look at the flower. It looks brilliant. I've really enjoyed drawing a flower with you. Now we need to bring our flower to life, and we need Pencil Pencil. You ready? Pencil Pencil! Pencil Pencil! It's so good to see you. Have you enjoyed drawing the flower? Me too. Right, you know what we need to do. We need to say, Pencil Pencil, bring our flower to life. You ready? Okay. Pencil Pencil, bring our flower to life. Whoa, it looks brilliant. Look at all the bees buzzing around it. They must like the flower too. If you've enjoyed drawing with me and Pencil Pencil, why don't you look at our other drawing videos? Bye!